Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Stephanie. All right, you guys, I did about a week ago a small order of some of the products that I use off of the website called Piping Rock, which is a lot of supplements. They have essential oils, carrier oils. They sell a lot of stuff. They even sell like, if you're really into, like, if you're a big eater of like nuts, cashews and things like that, you can buy them in bulk from their website. A lot of really good stuff. They are most everything is done on the east side of the US, and this shipped from state of New York. All right, so if you want to see what I got, stick around. I'm going to get into this box. Not a huge order. I was really impressed with how quickly it shipped. The nice thing about Piping Rock is they're always having like specials, deals, and sales. I usually will wait until I can get a pretty good deal, and there was a really great deal on a number of these items when I was ordering. So yeah, herbal stuff, you name it, they got it. Really nicely packed. So here is my little packing list. Let's take a looky, see what it says. So I have mentioned and probably unboxed in previous videos, I oftentimes have trouble sleeping. Sometimes I just cannot shut off the brain. So I have found, I was taking melatonin. Honestly, you guys, I weaned myself off of doing that. That's a hormone in your body. And I just think it's a really not a good road to go on and to drive down, is to start messing too much with those types of hormones. So I sort of cut back, weaned myself. I'm off of it now. And you guys are going to laugh. What I do take when I just can't shut my brain off is, and I've told you guys this before because I've unboxed this before, I do use CBD oil. I try to take one of these gel caps about 30-45 minutes before I go to bed, and you guys, I get a solid good night of sleep, which is the most important thing that I'm looking for. It does also help with a lot of like pain and stuff. So you guys, they do such a nice job with this. This is 30 quick gel caps, and it's 750 milligrams of CBD. Now, no THC, which is the naughty stuff in the Mary Jane, but I actually bought 3 bottles because it's 30 gels, and if I do take it nightly, that's, each bottle would only be about a month. So I stocked up because they had a really great deal, you guys. Really good deal. They were basically $9.99 per bottle, which was really good deal. Okay, so some of the other things I did order. Now, there are several herbs you can take that help with stressors in life, blocking some of the stress hormones and the stress cortisols and DHT and things. So one of the ones that I do use and take is ashwagandha. And they, of course, did have this on special, so I did grab some. I have taken ashwagandha for, boy, more than 5 years. But I have recently, I had run out a little while ago, so this is nice. This is 120 capsules. It is just an herbal supplement. And you can take up to 3 capsules per day, so you could do 1 with each meal. I don't necessarily always take that amount, but I do try to take a little bit. And then I got, this isn't just an empty, I'm not even going to take it out yet. It's just a brown dropper bottle that's empty because I always use peppermint oil. I oftentimes will put a couple drops of peppermint oil on like a piece of paper towel or something and have it in the car, just to have that really nice, pleasant, fresh mint scent. You guys, I totally dropped and like completely broke my last bottle. So it's really important to have the dark bottle to help keep the essential oil whole and not let it degrade in light. So yeah, I totally dropped it. I knocked it out of the car and it like went everywhere. Our garage smelled amazing for several weeks because it smelled like peppermint oil, but I did just get an empty one of those so I have a big bottle of peppermint oil. And then I got another one here. Let's see. And look at, you guys, before I pull this out, look at how nicely they have done a great job in caring for these bottles. This is another dropper bottle, but it's it's so safely in there. It's in this nice little foam taped in there, really secure till I get it and I probably drop it. All right, so this is, I sometimes like to make my own little concoctions of fly spray and just anti-bug spray for the horses, but I was out of some of the essential oils I use. This is cedarwood. So it is a large 2 fluid ounces bottle. Then look, there's a card. It was in the bottom. Talks about their company, Piping Rock. Over 50 years experience in health and wellness. I do, you guys, have a link down below. It's an affiliate link if you would love to do me the honor of using that affiliate link. I'll put all the details down below in that. But so I got 2 other small essential oils. I really like how they ship these. Nicely kind of settled into this cardboard. And I mean, it's not easy to get them out. I oftentimes have to kind of struggle. Okay, so this one, again, this is for like making homemade bug spray. This will make sense to you guys. This is citronella oil. This is pure essential oil, you guys, so it's very potent. You do need to dilute it down into like a carrier oil, and for the horses, I just use coconut oil. All right, and let's see if I can get this next one out. The last one, this is actually oregano oil, and this is antifungal. So I do like to mix this in. It does work as an antifungal. You know, we get a lot of rain going through into fall, and it does help to give them a little antifungal in their coat. It's not going to do them any harm. It does smell like oregano because it is oil of oregano or oregano oil. So if you guys, anybody who has like fungal infection on their toenails, you can actually make your own like antifungal. You need a good carrier oil. Again, I use coconut oil, and oregano oil is a very good antifungal. And you can put several drops of tea tree oil and several drops of oil of oregano or oregano oil in there, and it works very well to kill fungus. So you have to be careful. You never want to apply it directly, pure oregano oil. Or any of the pure essential oils because they are meant to be used in carrier oils. They are extremely potent and can, it can be a little naughty if you use them. Oregano oil can burn. You can get burned. You always need to dilute with carrier oils. So if you don't understand the concept of using essential oils, I would suggest you do your research and kind of learn a little bit of the background of the types of carrier oils. You can use like vitamin E oil. I've mentioned how many times now, coconut oil. Some people will use other carrier oils. Argan oil would be a good one if you're going to do something for your hair. And my hair, you guys, today's a bad hair day. It was so hot and humid. I have a giant hairball I have to brush through in the back of my head. But we had thunderstorms roll through, and then super humid this morning. So crazy hair. But that was my little order from Piping Rock. Like I said, I have an affiliate link I'll put down below with information. I have been ordering from Piping Rock at least 5 years. So I did get 3 of the bottles of their 750 milligrams of CBD oil. You guys, it's not full of THC. It's CBD. That is the full-on legal, no issues, cannabinoidal oil. Then I did get the ashwagandha. My little replacement brown dropper bottle for my peppermint oil that I broke. I'm so glad I have that. And then we got, for making my little ponies, some fly spray. I got cedarwood oil. And I have other oils already that are part of making it, but I was out of these. The citronella oil. And oil of oregano or oregano oil. So that was my little order. Let me know what you guys think. And if you order from Piping Rock, I usually will get some comments from people because a lot of people do order from Piping Rock. It's pretty well known. I will put all the background on the company down below if I can find it from an old video, but very well known family behind it with good history and sort of the, I don't know if I want to call it pharmaceutical industry, but the herbal industry. So I have never had a problem with anything I've ordered. And like I said, they have a ton of products. I mean, if you want to order, like I said, bulk cashews, You can do that. They have different seeds and things. I have ordered elderberry syrup, I would call it. And that I took that a couple times. I've had like sinus infections and things. I mean, you name it, they have it. They have fish oils and krill oils and all kinds of good stuff like that. So I do encourage you to check them out. Like I said, I do have a link down below. I would love it if you would use it. But let me know what you guys think, okay? I hope you're having a good one, you guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.